Hey, it's Raj Deep. I just wanted to share why I think if you want to do your Part 107 training, you got to go with the Pilot Institute. Their training was really well laid out. It had different structure, each topic, and quizzes at the end. And he said not to pass or go past each step or section before you get 80% or more on the quiz, which I followed. It made sense. Some I had to kind of redo a few times, especially some of the airport mapping and things like that. But it was very well done. It had a you can take it as much as you want. There's a review quiz at the end that kind of mimics what the FAA test would be like. 60 randomized questions. You don't get to see what the answer is until after. At least on the training with the FAA test, they don't tell you what you got wrong exactly, just like the topic, so you can kind of look it up later. But it's like it made me very confident for the test. I passed 90% on the first try with the FAA, and this is probably a training I'll go back to if I kind of forget things over time. Just kind of a nice refresher. It's just a very well put together, and you can tell he really cares as a teacher delivering the best content, and he does provide extra just to give you better knowledge as a drone pilot to fly safely and be knowledgeable of what you're doing. So can't recommend it enough. Thank you, Greg, for everything you've shared with us. Thank you.